What's going on, guys? It's your boy T-Man here, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And I know I told myself, look, man, you got the Godox V1, you got the Godox AD300, you got the AD300. You don't need to buy no more lights. But I went down and bought the new Godox AD300. So this is going to be an unboxing and review of the Godox AD300. Let's get right into it. As you can see, I already propped my box. Already prepped it up, so make it nice and easy to slide up in here. So let's get right into it. Item number one. Before I open this item, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe, and check out my Instagram. Got some things going there. Follow me for new content. Now let's get into it. So I contemplated on getting this light, but for me, I really wanted to see the improvements that Godox made, since I like shooting with Godox lights. And so first thing we have here, if you notice, this is a S2 adapter so that I can put this on my stand. And so the main importance of this is that the Godox AD200 has more of a flat bulb shape, so that this AD300 would not fit in that same bracket. So I went ahead and got the S2 so that I can throw my Godox AD200 inside. So I got this S2 bracket, and this actually feels really sturdy compared to my AD200 bracket that I got. So it's a good quality build right here. Now, the thing. Oh man. Oh. There you have it. Godox AD300 Pro. Oh man. I did not know. Now, I got this to shout out to, I don't know if you see on the box, shout out to Stroll Pro. I was looking, and this was like one of the only places in Canada, so I actually got this from Canada. Right now, I'm pretty sure it's going to be on Amazon soon, if not by the time I'm making this video. But and I believe I paid about $650 Canadian dollars. So that scales down a little bit cheaper in American, so not that bad. I didn't want to buy another light, but hey, why not? I need to see if Godox actually made some improvements. I know the power increase is supposed to be improved, but I need to check it out firsthand. Okay, got a nice manual, but who reads that? Not me. I don't know. Leave me a comment below if you actually read the manual when you get something new. I just like to figure it out, trial and error. But Godox, the good thing, Godox is pretty simple in terms of interfacing with it. So it's not that bad. Now Godox normally has all this nice, sleek compartment for storing the lights. Now, if I was on the go, let's see, in terms of weight, this is not really too heavy, so it's not that bad. Would I want to grab this and go? I don't know, put it in a book bag maybe. Okay, here we go. Let's get right to, well, let's actually we got some of the accessories. This is tucked in there pretty well. So this is actually the battery. Okay, not bad, not bad. And then, you know, we got charger. Let's see. Charger cable. And we have a light mount. Now this is actually good for the AD300 to sit right on top, and you can put it on the stand right here. And the reason why I got this one actually is to be able to connect a Bones mount adapter and snap into a softbox. With this one here, you can actually use, if you have an umbrella, you can actually use an umbrella and feed it through right here. So you wouldn't need this, but if you are planning to use a softbox, definitely you need this. Umbrella, if you're just using the umbrella, you're good with what comes in the package already. And we have a charger. Now this looks very similar to the Godox AD300, so you know, I might have a backup. I have to check the power requirements. Now to the main situation, the main event. Now in terms of weight, it's not that heavy. You know, I thought it was gonna be a lot heavier, so it's not that bad in terms of weight. However, I can't just throw this in my pocket. But let's leave the comparison for another video, because I feel like that's the main thing I have to compare this to. But it's not as heavy as I thought, so that's not a bad thing. I definitely would be able to take it and shoot on location. Okay, now let's see what they did up in here. Okay, now let's see. We can get an inside of that. Nice hand comparison. So it's almost about the length and a little bit more of my hand. Not bad. Now, a nice seamless interfacing. Now let's see if we have some juice in this battery. Enough. Now let's see. It's pretty good. Okay. Okay, now we got it on. And I don't think we have the unlockings for the battery. Let's see. Let me hold it. Okay. So we hold the power button. Boom, there we go. Nice and easy. Now I'm gonna let this warm up a little bit. So you see we got a red flash testing. Now let's see. Pop. That's all you need is a nice couple pops of light. It's pretty nice. Now, let's see, one of my things I always like to see is this modeling lamp. Now, let's see, does it have levels? Just on and off. On, off. Now, I don't think that this modern lamp is going to be effective at all. It's just one of those areas where I think these smaller lights with Godox don't pack enough punch to be able to act as a good modeling lamp if you're trying to find focus on your model. But if that's not your key with this light, then I think you should be good to go. But overall, nice solid build, nice construction, nice weight. This is pretty light. It's still, the form factor is pretty bulky compared to the predecessor. And I'll probably make a video comparing these for sure. But I guess, you know, if you want to pack more power, what you have is, there's a trade-off. You gotta, you know, add a bigger footprint to the light, and so, you know, this is a bigger footprint, and so you get this. But however, it is wireless, so for on location shooters, if you like to shoot outside, it's phenomenal, perfect light for you right here. If you like to go against the sun, that's gonna be another test that I'm gonna have to put this up against, but I'm pretty sure this will give you a little bit more power to be able to shoot against the sun. I know the Godox AD300 is a great light to shoot against the sun, but this is right behind it, so it might actually do just as well as of a job. So I'll be looking forward to seeing that. But yeah, we got the normal function modes, TTL, manual, and you know, you got the 21 channel frequency on here to connect with your Godox trigger, and also you have the wireless capability. And as much as we have the, I typically just kind of use manual and shoot with my lights like that. I'm not really a TTL type of person. I like more of the flexibility that I get with my light. And you know, a lot of people try to see, oh, well, how do you know what to set the light at? And you know, there's no real answer unless you use a light meter and you can shoot and adjust and you know what to set it to. But you know, it's just as nice to kind of go into certain situations. Over time you learn and you end up knowing, okay, it looks kind of overcast out here, a little bit darker, a lot of shadows on the model's face, so let me start my power at, and then also knowing what light you're working with. So if you have more of a punch in the light, so more power, then you know, okay, well, let me start it at 1/4 power, and then you can go up or down from right there. And depending on your style, if you like pictures a little more highlighted, then you might want more power. If not, then you know, you adjust accordingly. But I can't wait to take this outside and shoot with it. So that will probably be the next video for me, actually using it and seeing how I actually like it with on location shoots. So I think that's pretty much it for me with this light. I'm excited to see what it does for me. So make sure you tune in, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you leave a comment if you have any questions about this light, or you know, you just want to give me your feedback. If you have this light, what you like, you dislike about it. It's your boy T-Mid. We out. Peace.